guess I have some fluffernutter on my face. Okay, but today I'm gonna be making myself sneeze. Because every time I sneeze in school, Ben and Ethan Robinson laugh their butt cheeks at me and they're like, ha ha! So I'm gonna make myself sneeze today. So, here we go. Okay. There. Oh my god, I'm crying. I'm such a baby. Oh, that hurt. Bye.